Welcome to BhoomiCam, a smart deep tech platform for forestry and agriculture. We use satellites, drones, advanced sensors, and AI technology to help you understand nature better. Managing large green areas is extremely challenging. Counting thousands of trees and monitoring their condition requires huge amounts of time, money, and manpower. Traditional methods are slow and often inaccurate. BhoomiCam changes this completely. Our drones fly over the land and capture highly detailed data. LiDAR technology measures the height, structure, and volume of trees, while advanced sensors analyze their health and growth condition. Here is a quick overview of our technology stack. First, data collection using UAV payloads. We deploy high-grade LiDAR for precise 3D structural mapping, allowing accurate measurement of tree height and diameter. We also use multispectral sensors to capture vegetation health data that is invisible to the human eye. Next, ground data integration. We ensure on-field accuracy through precise calibration using our proprietary BhoomiSurvey App. Then, models and processing. Our AI-powered automated segmentation isolates individual trees instantly. Deep learning models classify tree species accurately. All this data is transformed into actionable insights through our intelligent analytical dashboard. For health and biomass analytics, we use NDVI to detect early signs of plant stress. We perform biomass estimation and calculate carbon stock per tree using LiDAR-based measurements. For visual analytics, we generate false color composite, or FCC maps, for clear visualization of vegetation health. All this information is displayed on a simple and user-friendly dashboard, allowing anyone to understand and use the data without technical expertise. This technology is already proven through successful real-world projects. BhoomiCam offers two easy options. First, upload your own drone data to our platform and receive instant detailed reports. Second, choose our complete service, where our expert team handles everything, from data collection to final reporting. BhoomiCam is led by Dr. Siddhartha Kari. Stop guessing, start measuring. Schedule your demo today at BhoomiCam.com.